The Sengezo Tshabangu-led Citizen Coalition for Change is under fire from other CCC factions over the control of 22 million ZiG allocated under the political party's funding. Sanda bina mashuka tona at our Sengezo Tshabangu panguwa ino ari pama 1 anoti bo subscribe like turn on the bell icon. Tipina pana pa mzimbo ya nyerava chiti the ruling ZANU-PF party received the largest share with approximately 48 million ZiG, while the Citizen Coalition for Change was awarded just over 22 million. One CCC faction led by Jameson Timber has filed an urgent High Court application seeking an order to prevent the Justice, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Ziyambi Ziyambi from disbursing the funds until the party's leadership disputes are resolved. In response, Mutsvangwa, the leader of another CCC faction, is applied to be joined as a party to the proceedings, arguing that he has a real and substantial interest in the matter but was omitted from the initial application. Meanwhile, Sengezo Tshabangu, the leader of a third CCC faction, has filed a notice of opposition challenging Mutsvangwa's claim to be the acting president of the party. Tshabangu argues that Mutsvangwa's claims are baseless and not supported by any facts. His notice reads in part, one of us the notice when Sengezo Tshabangu no facts have been pleaded generally and specifically with the reference to the first applicant. But tukuna Sengezo Tshabangu pana apina ma1 tukuna to faction ya Jameson Timber nemunhu waiwirana naye panapa Mutsvangwa akumurasisa muchona Mutsvangwa wavharirwa kunze. Sengezo Tshabangu achida kuwana mapolitical funds ega. Taona kuti aiwa mari iyi yakuchimisiwa zvinzi aiwa mira kudisbesa mari iyi kana house isati yava in order. Todze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndakume section medu, subscribe, like, and turn on the bell icon.